Good morning mga kabayan. I am here at Kawayan Farm Restaurant again because somebody named Cesar Dandan commented and something like a request that he want me to show more of Kawayan Farm Restaurant. Actually, I'm going to Laguna, but since this place is along the way, I drop by and take some video to show more of Kawayan Farm Restaurant. So shout out to you, Cesar Dandan. If you have seen my video before, this is the bamboo walk. And these are some varieties of Kawayan. At ito po naman ang iba-ibang potahe na pwede ninyong orderin. Tinakpan ko yung price kasi alam ko nagbabago ang presyo nito. Dahil sa merienda lang, order lang ako ng kape at egg sandwich. Okay po mga kabayan, didiretso na ako ng Santa Cruz, Laguna. Sundan na lang po inyo ang susunod kong video.